So in front of me I've got Sennheiser CX True Wireless. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are not connected to any Bluetooth device and that they are charged. Now take one of the earbud out of the charging case and press and hold touch panel for 10 seconds. Release the button and do the same thing with the second earbud. Your earbuds will automatically connect to each other and factory reset has been completed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.